Our beloved principal, Dr. Benito P. Guzman, to our consultant, Ms. Medina M. Guzman, to our energetic officer in charge, Ms. Imelda Iorvina, and to all my teachers. Today, me and my classmates are very happy because we will have our dreams come true. It is one of the most important events in my life. It means that I am about to go to the next level of learning. I'm excited to go to elementary level. It's fun to be in school because we can learn many things. We learn about ourselves, our role, and many more. Our teachers teach and guide us always. They help those in need and help us to learn what is wrong and what is right. There are times when we feel sad and lonely. Dear graduates, we know that they are always with us. We should not be sad because of them. They are the giver of joy, and from them we can learn many things. So move up to the next level in order to reach our goals. I thank also God for giving me teachers. They are my